Well, hello. It's Wednesday, and it's a good day because I woke up and did my normal routine in the morning, and then as I'm driving to work, I'm realizing, well, I didn't even get to work first and foremost. I got into my truck, and I realized it is freaking cold outside, and the only reason that it's cold outside is because the sky has nary a cloud in sight. Well, there's some clouds kind of around the outside, like the outside part of the valley, but for the most part, you look up, you look around, it is clear. So if you have not looked out the window yet, you need to. It's going to be a beautiful day. And then I came to work and realized this is even better because I can see the sunshine right out the classroom windows, staring at the trees. It's fantastic. I love it. The fact that it's going to be I think 54, 55 again today. It was almost 60 degrees yesterday. I was out playing catch with my daughter yesterday afternoon at Silver Creek Park, and man, I'm telling you, I got winded because I'm like, this is not normal. First of all, I'm out of shape. Number two, it's hot outside. I was in my shorts and a t-shirt, and I was like, this is perfect. Perfect. So, I'm hoping you guys get your stuff done early. Get outside and play today because it's going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Okay, cool. That's confetti worthy. What the heck? I mean, why not? Anyways, let's get on to business, my friends. Let's click on today and look what Wednesday has in store for us. Okay, Buffy? I will have the Zoom room open this morning. I do have an appointment this morning I got to take my daughter to. It's just kind of one of those things that I scheduled a long time ago, and here it is. So it just happens to be on the Wednesday. I will make sure that this thing is open throughout the morning. Let's see. I think when it first opens at 9 o'clock, it may be a little bit sketchy, but just email me. Say, Mr. Kelly, are you available? And once I get back to school, which should be about 9:30-ish, I will make sure to have the help room open from then on until the Zoom meeting. Cool? Yes, indeed. So whether you need one problem help or you need the whole assignment, I got you. This is my job, my friends, and I love doing it, especially because I'm helping you guys. That's the best part about this whole thing. So, don't be afraid to ask for help. That is the biggest thing I can throw at you. Do not ever be afraid to ask for help, okay? Cool. So here's what we got going on this morning. We've got more Black History Month, more prominent figures in African American history in the United States. This one happens to be Bessie Coleman. Now, Bessie Coleman. Well, let's put it this way. It was pretty dadgum revolutionary when Amelia Earhart was the first female pilot. But when Bessie Coleman, the first African American female pilot, took the controls of an airplane and flew it around, things changed. Bessie Coleman trailblazed for African American pilots. The Tuskegee Airmen, they were a African American group of fighter pilots back in the World War days. Insane. This is what we get to celebrate this month, and this is what I really, really enjoy, because I get to celebrate with you guys so many cool accomplishments, the things that, I mean, you think about it, 100 years ago, African Americans were seen as less than. Now we look at them and they're being elected to offices, they are starring in movies, it's awesome to see how we are getting there. We're not there yet. Don't get me wrong. We're not there yet as far as equality for minor races is what they're called. But I'm telling you right now, my friends, we are so close to getting there. It's just a matter of we got to erase the hate. Hate doesn't drive out hate. Only love does. Right, Martin Luther King Jr.? Boom! So, Bessie Coleman. Click on the link, learn about her story, and learn some cool stuff about an African American female pilot from way back in the day, which happened to be a very, very long time ago. Cool. So that's Bessie Coleman's story. Multiply by fours. We are still cracking down on these multiplication facts. And as it stands, I am going to be having a big old chart made so we can start working on the multiplication facts here in class and at home while you guys are doing distance learning on Wednesdays, or those of you who are just at home too. So I've got you guys. Oh my gosh, I am telling you right now, this ice cream party is going to be off the chains at the end of the year. So make double sure, triple sure, quadruple sure, because it's fours, that you guys start doing your multiplication facts at home. Go to the dollar store, get some rinky-dinky frozen flashcards. I don't care how you do it. Just get those memorize those math facts. That's all you've got to do. The more you do it, the faster it's going to get. And how you master those math facts? Well, I'll tell you. It's very simple. If you are trying to go for your fours, for instance, if I say, what's 4 times 4? You better say 16 within about 5 seconds. Okay? That's what I'm looking for. That's how we master our math facts. I'm looking through 1 through 12 times whatever number it is that you're doing. Okay? Cool. So that is your multiplying by fours. And again, the more times you practice, the better you're going to get. It's a true story. Acellus, make sure you have through Wednesday done today, and you should have a blue progress bar through Wednesday and 3 stars Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday by the end of the day today. It's very simple. Let's get after it. Math, science, social studies, and ELA. Let's get it done, my friends. Lexia Core 5, 20 minutes. You've got a class Zoom meeting at 11 o'clock. So let's get on that, okay? Make sure you guys are there. We'll have some fun with this, I promise. That's how we do this. I don't do stinky, chintzy, blah meetings. If you want to get on that 11 o'clock Zoom meeting, which, not if, you will be on that Zoom 11 o'clock meeting, because I love seeing your faces, first and foremost. And second of all, you know what? It's like the only time that we get to be an actual full class. Because now that we have the hybrid days, I see half of you on these days and half of you on these days. Some of you, a couple of you, I don't see at all. This is my only chance to see you guys. So everybody jump on, 11 o'clock. Plain and simple, set your clocks. And I've already sent the links out, so there's no excuses. I didn't get the link. Check your email. True story. Reflex, Raz Kids, and of course, I came across this activity, and it blew my freaking mind. We've actually got a real-life Disney animator who is going to teach us how to draw Baby Yoda. For sure. I mean, we've drawn some Baby Yodas before, but let's be realistic. That was more cartoonish. This is a legitimate Disney animator who has actually helped design Baby Yoda in some fashion. And they're going to teach us how to draw Baby Yoda. Plain and simple. Cool? Yep. Okay, cool. That is your whole Wednesday. Again, I will have the Zoom room open as soon as I get back from my appointment with my daughter. And then it's on like Donkey Kong, my friends. So that is your whole Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoy the fact that the sun is out. I hope you get out and enjoy it. Go on a bike ride. Go on a walk with your fam. I don't care what you do. Get outside. Actually, I do care what you do. Do it safely. But I want you guys to have a fantastic day today. We'll see you at 11 o'clock. And if I don't, there'll be sad tears. Boo-hoo.